guys, good morning. So today is Ovi's birthday.
Yes,
Happy birthday!
I'm so excited.
So what are you going to do today?
I'm going to skydiving. Yes, this is the best way to celebrate my birthday here.
Okay, so now we are going to Skydive-Dubai, and this is actually one of the biggest dream. So let's see what happens.
Yes, this is the biggest dream in my life.
So see you guys. Feeling?
I'm super excited, super. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm super excited.
More than me, I'm excited and scared in the same time.
Oh my god.
We will see what happens actually.
Okay. What's your feelings now?
I don't know.
You just take a cue, are just roaming around. This is the shop for skydiving, Souvenir Shop. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. The t-shirts, sports t-shirt. Good morning. Good morning. It's very good. The price is, yes, it's reasonable, not so much expensive here. Oh, there is a mask also, Skydive-Dubai. Bags, sunglasses, and so on. So, hello.
Still waiting.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Scared? And I'm so excited.
You're excited?
Yeah. You know why?
Excited or super excited?
Super excited actually. Because it's my childhood dream, and I dreamed for skydiving when I was 11.
11?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so I will see if I can dive today, so it's gonna be something big for me.
Okay. I wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you.
drive.
And how do you feel?
I feel, it's my birthday, what I feel so special. I feel so special. So special.
Seems
so
like
much.
he's getting crazy because he's gonna do skydiving.
Yes. In 2016, after that, I had a dream to skydiving in Dubai. So this is the day. In same day in 2016, I did bungee jumping. So how excited I am.
Okay, nice. So now we are gonna
Check in.
check
So
in.
see you soon.
See you.
Hey, my name is Tandem.
So they give us free lockers here, and this is absolutely free. You can put your valuable stuff here. Then we have cafeteria place here, and they have a small restaurant. If you like a small beverages, they also have their protein crackers, which is like something soya in it.
So what's your feelings?
We are waiting now because it's like maybe we are gonna do our skydive training in 10 or 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, after 10 or 15 minutes,
Yeah.
then it takes maybe 10 or 15 minutes to training everything.
Yeah, and we are gonna do skydive almost like 10 minutes or 12 minutes.
No,
I'm not
15 minutes.
sure about the time.
15 minutes.
Okay.
There is a time duration. Yeah, I saw at the website. It's 15 minutes.
I see. It's so scary actually.
Why is scary? It's fun. I saw some videos. They are saying like driving in a Dhaka city or driving in a Delhi is a tough rather than skydiving. So why you are so scary? It's normal.
Because I don't know driving, so for me it's same.
It's nothing. Just take a deep breath and say to Allah, pray for Allah, then drive. That's it.
Yeah, we will see. I feel like he's saying a lot of things, but maybe it's gonna be like I'm the person who is like gonna do okay, and he's gonna be scared.
No, I'm excited. I'm not scared, but I'm scared for you because I don't know. I feel so scared about you because you never did something like that, like adventurous things.
No, I did parasailing
You
before.
parasailing, but not like if you did bungee jumping, then I would say
I don't
yeah,
like bungee jumping actually because they put their like people's head down and body up. Oh, awful. No, not for me.
No,
not for me.
I did.
This is something serious here.
Now is a briefing time.
I'm not jumping out, I'm just gonna watch a movie first so you understand what I'm gonna do.
Welcome. Thank you for choosing Skydive-Jump. This video is designed to prepare you for your time in skydive. However, your instructor will review this information with you again and answer any questions you may have. Before you skydive, be sure to secure all personal.
So guys, very important thing is if you want to come to skydive and if you have someone in your family and they have birthdays or anniversary or any event, so make sure you're gonna grab the discount. It's like they have a campaign now. If you are a family member of the person who have birthdays and they are going to do the skydive and you also interested to do skydiving, in that case you'll get a discount here. And it's gonna cost just 1,999 dirham, whereas it cost almost 2,100 dirham. And the most important thing is, whenever you come here, make sure you check the weather and pick a time when you feel like it's not so warm or not so cold. And most important thing is you grab a good relationship with your trainer. So now we are in the place where we are gonna do skydive. It's like they're gonna take us from 13,000 feet up.
Oh my god!
Yeah, and they're gonna just like throw us from the airplane. I mean, no, not like throw us, it's like they're gonna jump with us. So the fact is, we are gonna land here and we have very good trainers with us, so no need to scare. So I hope you're gonna enjoy our video.
Happy birthday
Thank
to
you so
your
much.
Marcus photo and your video and photo.
Thank you so
Birthday.
much.
Welcome to Skydive.
Thank you.
So here we are back again, and it was a breathtaking experience. And how did you feel?
I feel like it's amazing. I want to do again. Oh my god, it's an amazing view, amazing experience. I cannot say in few words. It's out of the box. It's another thing.
Yeah.
If you anyone want to try or anyone want to listen, not listen, just come to here and do it. Just
Yeah.
do it.
And
oh my god.
without like doing the skydive, you cannot
feel it. Yeah,
It's
you cannot
too good.
feel it. It's
Too good.
too good.
And the fun part is they also give us some gifts.
Yes, for me. It's for me. It's my birthday.
Yeah,
They
so
give-
we
give-
got the printed cup, and I also got the printed cup or mug, whatever you
Mug,
say. So he picked the one with like normal mug with printed picture like this, and I got like a hot water mug. If I put hot water, it's gonna like visible. And also we got some gifts from
Gifts.
Skydive.
Driving, yes.
They give us
Oh, pen drive.
pen drives written Skydive-Dubai.
And this
Included
is
our
the-
videos and photos. So every time if you do skydive, they're gonna give you this type of printed
pen drive.
USB pen drives with
Very
pictures
good
and
looking.
videos.
It's very good looking, you know. You see, it's very good looking. I would say
And
the
if you
best
have
experience
birthday
here.
or
And
if you have any friend's birthday or something, just grab this because it's for free and they are giving it as a present. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so much. Now our eating time.
So now
We
we're
are
gonna
so much
eat.
hungry. What we eat? Oh, I'm going to eat sandwich,
And I'm gonna have my wrap.
and I want to take one wrap, and you can also welcome for my.
No, thank
this one.
you.
No, please.
Thank you. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Till then, subscribe our channel, share
and
it.
and bell icon.
Yeah, press the bell icon to get the notification.
And our blog is coming, like it's a series blog in Dubai, so part by part is coming soon.
Hopefully we will see you guys inshallah soon. Stay safe till then.
Bye.